Here is a simple recipe for a basic sponge cake that can be easily baked in an airplane oven. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9x 13-inch baking pan. In a large mixing bowl, beat the eggs until light and frothy. Gradually add in the sugar and continue to beat until the mixture is thick and pale. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together and gradually fold it into the egg mixture. Mix in the vanilla extract, if using. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Let the cake cool before serving.